incredible property is Charnwood House. Set way back from the road with this superb driveway, there is ample off-road parking and turning space here for many vehicles. And a beautifully landscaped, south-facing walled garden to the rear. A dream self-build project for owners Sean and Christine, Charnwood House has been designed and fitted to the highest standard. The fantastic open-plan kitchen is an incredible feature and where the family spend most of their time. With ample space for sitting, dining and entertaining, the kitchen is filled with integral appliances and has 2 sets of bifolding doors leading out into the garden. On an evening, the family spend time in their cosy lounge, or enjoying a movie in the cinema room. For anyone that works from home, there are 2 further reception rooms, one of which is already used as a home office. This immaculately presented property has also been cleverly designed to allow for a self-contained annex if required, and yet still flows naturally as a large family home. And 6 beautifully appointed double bedrooms, 3 of which have en suites. To arrange a viewing on Charnwood House or for more information, please call our Fairweather office.